In recent developments, Chamisa has boldly declared that the electoral mishaps of the past will not repeat in the upcoming 2028 elections. This comes after a series of controversial elections in 2018 and 2023, which were widely criticized by international observers for not being free and fair. He's a key figure in Zimbabwe's political landscape, formerly leading the Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC. Chamisa has been a vocal critic of the election processes and outcomes in Zimbabwe, which he claims have been manipulated to the disadvantage of the opposition. In 2018, shortly after the elections, Chamisa was offered the position of leader of the opposition in parliament. However, he turned down this offer, citing the elections as rigged. His refusal was a stand for what he believed was right, despite the personal cost of not having a formal leadership role in parliament. Fast forward to 2023, where once again the elections were marred by allegations of unfair practices. Chamisa, refusing to stay silent, approached the Southern African Development Community, or SADC, seeking intervention. His message was clear: the 2023 elections were flawed, and such injustices cannot be the foundation for future governance. Now, Chamisa has taken a step further. He's not just contesting past election results, he's looking forward to ensuring that 2028 is different. His recent statements have stirred the political atmosphere in Zimbabwe. Chamisa is pushing for a resolution to the issues of the last elections, emphasizing that there won't be a repeat of 2023 or 2018 in 2028. He warns of taking practical action to ensure a transparent and fair electoral process moving forward. What does this mean for Zimbabwe? It's a beacon of hope for many who desire change and fair play in politics. Chamisa's stance is more than just about one election. It's about reshaping the democratic fabric of a nation. It's a call to everyone who believes in the power of a true democratic process to rally for transparency and fairness. As we watch this unfold, one thing is clear: the road to 2028 will be pivotal for Zimbabwe. It's not just about who wins or loses. It's about ensuring that every vote counts and every voice is heard in the true spirit of democracy. Thanks for tuning in. Let's keep a close eye on how these events will shape the future of Zimbabwe. Remember, change starts with awareness and the courage to demand justice and fairness. Until next time, stay informed and stay inspired.